Hi, Vanakkam. See, this is one of my Ganesha. So today something very interesting I'm going to talk. Okay. Actually, yeah. Um, a friend of mine, friend in the sense very important, you know, husband and wife, Mrs. Malini Kinney and Mr. Naveen Kinney. Okay, they are very important because the gallery who promoted me from 2004, the Kinkini Gallery, the director of Kinkini Gallery, Namrita, she is the daughter of this Mr. Naveen and Mrs. Malini Kini. Okay, so they are very important and like our family, like they are part of our family, like that. No, the thing is, what I am going to tell you about Ganesha, the Kinkini Gallery started 2004, and before starting, Mrs. Malini and Namrita, they came to my house, and they were taking two Ganeshas for the gallery's inaugural show. Okay, it is a big group show. All the leading Bangalore artists, right from S.G. Vasudev, James Mani, Paresh Hasra, Krishnappa, all the artists. There is no time to tell all the names, but all the Bangalore artists, including myself. So two Ganeshas I gave, and I gifted a small Hanuman collage to Namrita, and because first time they are coming and starting a gallery, new gallery, so it is just a gift, so new from my side, and I gave. She happily received, accepted, and so happy, and they left. Okay, anyway, the inauguration a day, it was 11 o'clock in the morning, and I went there. It's a display was there, and very beautiful inaugural ceremony and puja, everything. Then after that, I was returning. Off the way, phone call from Namrita saying that Subra, there is a happy news. Yes, your two Ganeshas we sold. Uh, I said, yeah, thank you and congratulations. Yeah, okay. Okay. So this is one thing, and I was so happy. This was the inaugural show, and it is okay. And this one. Then after that, there was my solo show. They arranged, and around 30 works. This was after few months. It's my solo show, and for them also first solo show of an artist. That is me. After another show in year 2006, uh, Malini and Naveen Kini, the parents of Namrita, they bought one Hanuman, a small one, 12 by 15 and a half inches. Okay, one. That time I was not doing huge sizes, so that size is the comfortable size for me, and they bought, and it was there. Okay, now what I wanted to say is it was in their puja room. Okay, so they had another big Ganesha some time back. No, they bought, and it was there in their collection. I saw that in their house once I visited. So now in the puja room they want to keep one more Ganesha to this Hanuman size, which is 12 by 15 and a half inches. So they called me, and Namu said, Subra, she need one Ganesha, and okay, this is the size and this. And they sent through driver, to me. the one, because I wanted to see that. I don't know. They thought, it should be matching to these or whatever they I don't know. They sent the work and it was here. Then I felt little this one, because from the puja room removing one god image, I was not, little this one, and all these years it was there. Then I thought, I have to complete faster, so that it should go to the puja room. Like that, I was thinking. I did. I did a Ganesha and I sent the image, and they didn't like, because she said the gray and purple I don't need, because what I made is gray and purple and all these colors. Oh, this I didn't know. Okay, anyway, what color they need? No, no, these two colors they are not interested. Otherwise, up to you. Okay, then this I put it in my Facebook and posted. And the next day, another gallery, Ritika Sadwani from iArt, she called me. Subra sir, that Ganesha is available. Yes. Can I have that? Why not? Okay. So it was sold. That is gone. So again, now I have to make another one. I was making, which I shown just now. In this Ganesha, it is good, but what happened? In the hand, something I pasted. It was not the suitable one, because it should be dark, and when I remove with kerosene turpentine, it should give the bright, this portion. Then only I can make the red lines. So this one is not suitable to that. So I was not happy. It is little bit dull. Then I kept, okay, let it be in my collection. Let it be, okay. Then one more I made. One morning I was, a little bit this one only. Then I came and I made. It has come out good. I myself satisfied with the orange, yellow ochre orange like that, and with the red, and it's perfect. I liked it. So I sent the image. They liked it. Okay, framed, sent, and then she said, Subra, how much we have to pay? Then I said, a simple gift. Okay, because she liked it. That itself is something, happy for me. So I just sent gift, WhatsApp. Then after seeing that, the Namu called Namrata and Subra, you have your daughter name Surya Art Foundation. Yeah. Can you send the account number, bank account number? Then I said, I don't have bank account in the trust, in the Surya Art Foundation, because whatever I sell, one portion of the amount from my sales, I will keep it in my account only, and I spent. So, oh, like that? Okay, no problem, it's okay. Then recently there was other works sold, so the payment she sent. So for this also there is a good amount kept in the cover and sent for Surya Art Foundation. I don't know, see now I don't know what to say. Either if I call and tell them that why you sent, it is not good. And anyway, I accepted very happily, and so this is the Ganesha. So my Ganesha now in their puja room, and they live with Ganesha. Okay, so just like that, I want to share this. Hope you will like it. Okay, have a great day. Bye.
जय जय महावीर महाधीर धौरेय देवासुर समर समय समुदित निखिल निर्जर निर्धारित निरवधिक महात्म्य दशवदन दमित दैवत परिषद व्यर्थित दाशरथि